Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to test for the first time a new setting powder from Catrice. This is the True Skin Mineral Loose Powder that is infused with hyaluronic acid. So, if you want to see how it wears throughout the day, but also how it compares against their old formula, the Nude Illusion Transparent Setting Powder, then just keep on watching. I picked up this product a couple of weeks ago. I have some backlog of filming my reviews due to the fact that I was not having enough time having my both kids at home, and actually today is the first day when they are both at schools, at their kindergartens, and I actually took day off just to sit down and film most of the videos that I was planning, because we don't know how long it can last. And I love my kids, but I cannot do a wear test when they are at home. I need to start filming in the morning or at least earlier in the day, and I cannot do that then after they go to nap around 1 or 2 p.m, which is too late for me. I picked up this product, and I have few other products from Catrice, but I'm going to cover them in a separate video or videos. So today I'm going to wear test the True Skin Mineral Loose Powder against their old Nude Illusion Powder. This is my absolute favorite setting powder of all times. I actually have a backup. I bought a bunch of two, and I have high hopes for this. Both products contain, the new powder contains 4.5 grams or 0.15 ounces, and the old container, the old Nude Illusion powder, contains 11 grams. So this is half of the size of the original. But you can tell that the actual jars look the same, but probably it's the way that the actual texture of the product it is. First, let's open the new product. It has a close open mechanism, which I actually like it, because now it's sealed, because you are able to keep it mess free. You know, if you are traveling, the powder, it won't spill in your bag. So I like this. This is neat. The old powder, the Nude Illusion, it doesn't have that. So this is how the True Skin New Mineral Loose Setting Powder looks like. You see, it's a transparent color, but it is not white. And this is how their old formula it looks like. Now, when I was checking the back side to see how much quantity we have, I just found out that the old formula, it is good 24 months after opening, whilst the new formula, the True Match Setting Powder, it's only good 12 months after opening. So actually having less quantity, it might be an advantage, because I have this strange thing with Catrice that if they passed their expiration shelf time, they don't perform the same for me. It happened that with their concealer, with the foundation, so I think their products are good to last as much. It's written here on their back. I have 4 brushes, because I'm going to use the powders also to set my concealer. And just to let you know what I'm wearing today, I mixed up those 2 shades of the True Skin foundation, also by Catrice. I have a entire review of this foundation, guys. I will link it down below. I mixed those 2 shades because this is my summer shade, and it's a bit darker for me as it is now. This lighter shade, which is the Cashmere, Cool Cashmere, this matches me as I am right now because I don't have any self-tan. But I also wanted to use the concealer, the True Skin concealer, which by the way is on the shade Cool Cashmere, but this is a bit darker for me, so if I would have used the same foundation in the same shade, Cool Cashmere, then the concealer would have been shown. This is the old powder, so I'm going to use it on my right cheek. Maybe I should zoom you a bit. And it gives an instant matte effect. I actually never did a first impression or a wear test for a powder. This is the first time and the first wear test that I'm doing for a setting powder. I do remember liking this powder for my under eye area. I have different powders, but for the sake of the video, I want to see how it compares and how those are wearing for my under eye area. I'm very picky with my setting powder, with my under eye setting powder, but yeah, for the sake of this video, today we are going only with Catrice. Now, for the new setting powder, the new True Skin setting powder by Catrice. A newcomer to the True Skin family. After the recent addition of the True Skin Hydrating Foundation and the True Skin High Coverage Concealer to the beauty counter, the range is now being expanded with the True Skin Mineral Loose Powder. The superfine, luxurious, silky mineral powder with 52% mineral ingredients literally melts into the skin and gives it a natural matte finish, while still lightly tinted in the glass. The powder is transparent on the skin. The powder also contains moisturizing hyaluronic acid and it's silicone and oil free. I think on the side where I'm wearing the new setting powder, the True Skin setting powder, I find that the pores are a bit more blurred. But I don't have any dry sensation. I don't feel that it's drying my skin, and I find that both are doing a great job underneath my eyes. So this is the first impression. As of now, I like it. I don't find any negative point. Actually, it has a positive point from my side, having this locker, this safety seal, which by the way I forgot to pull it, and I like this kind of small details on products. Now I'm going to apply my face powders. And guys, this is one of my favorite brushes, hands down. The Refru brushes are amazing. After applying the rest of the powder product on my face, I will say that I really love how my all powders have melted in together. I do recall how much I have been loving this Nude Illusion Setting Powder, and I'm surprised, or maybe not that much, that I'm liking her new sister as much as I love the old one. I forgot to mention, and maybe it's important for some of you, but Catrice Cosmetics is a cruelty-free brand. So this is as of now. I'm going to apply the rest of the face and filming a separate tutorial for my eyes, and I will come back just to show the final look. Okay guys, this is the final look, and I took it out of the zoom just to be able to see my face, how it integrates. I'm really satisfied with how my skin looks like after half an hour of application. So right now it's 11 AM and I'm going to give it a at least 9 hour test. And by the end of the day, we are going to tell if this new True Skin setting powder by Catrice, it is better and it outperforms their holy grail formula, the transparent Matte Nude Illusion Setting Powder. I was not planning to do this checkup, but I'm just sitting down to film other videos, so I thought it's a good opportunity to do our quick checkup. So I have 3.5 hours since I'm wearing both the Catrice Nude Illusion Loose Powder and their new True Skin Mineral Loose Powder on my face. I actually don't see any changes whatsoever on my skin. Maybe on the side where I'm wearing the new Catrice True Skin Setting Powder, I can find a bit of a grabbing, but I believe this has to do with the fact that I'm constantly scratching my nose. But other than that, I think both are doing a fantastic job. Also, underneath my eyes, I actually don't see any patchiness and any dryness. So let's see how it looks in the end of the day. Hi guys, we are now in the end of the day. It's 9 p.m. over, so I have 10 hours since I'm wearing the new Catrice True Skin Loose Setting Powder, and also I'm comparing it against the old version, the Nude Illusion. I think my skin looks amazing. I'm just checking a bit. Yeah, I can definitely tell that on the side where I'm wearing new True Skin setting powder, I'm a bit oily, but it's not that obvious. Like for example on the right side where I'm using the old setting powder, I'm a tad more matte. But I think both sides look perfect. Now, to be honest, which one I prefer between those two, it's hard to say. I love the fact that this has a better ingredient list. It has hyaluronic acid. It also has this wonderful closure that makes product be more safe inside and travel friendly, but also it has a downside that it has more than half of the quantity that we do get for the older version. But being the fact that this has less shelf time, maybe that's the reason they have just taken down the quantity. Maybe I should also check my under eye area to give you a overview. Both sides are looking amazing. I was actually afraid that the new True Skin powder will not look okay, because I do not have luck with this kind of powders. With non-white powders, they don't look well by the end of the day on my under eye area, but this is so lightweight that it did a really great job, and I'm continuing to use it. I think I will not going to repurchase the Bittery Hyaluronic Hydra powder, even though that is my holy grail. I still have one backup, but I think this can go easily on my under eye area where I don't have time to grab for a separate under eye powder. So really love it. Actually, I was thinking for tomorrow I will do a short test. I'm going to use only the new True Skin setting powder, and I'm going to apply it over a foundation that doesn't last so much on me, because I thought that maybe testing it with a matte foundation, a really good and long-lasting foundation, doesn't say or doesn't show how well it's lasting or helping to control oil, this product. Hi guys, this is the second day when I'm testing the new Catrice True Skin Mineral Loose Powder, and today I actually decided to test it against a foundation that it's like a pain in a heel for me. So this is something which I was thinking I already decluttered from my collection, Lancome Teint Miracle, and it doesn't last on me too much, it makes me oily. So this little guy will have a very heavy duty today to hold against this non-performing foundation for me. So I've already applied my eye makeup out camera, and if you hear some noise, I switched the location. I'm filming in my daughter's room, which has more natural light in the morning, so I wanted to have a natural light. So I hope this foundation won't break me out. And if you check my eyes, you see my eyes, they are being spoiled with a very luxurious palette. And I don't know if I mentioned yesterday, guys, but I feel this powder, it's really finely milled. So that's the reason it works so nice for my under eye area. On my face, as yesterday, I have been using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Unlocked palette, and on my lips and my eyes have been spoiled with this beautiful Pat McGrath palette that I just got it. So I'm not sure if this palette is still available. If it is, I will let you know when I will edit this video. And to be bougie till the end, I have used my Pat McGrath Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil and my Tom Ford lipstick. Actually, this is mostly like a lip balm, so we are really bougie for today. So yeah, it's 10:30 when I've finished my makeup. Guys, we are in the end of the second day of testing the new Catrice True Skin Loose Setting Powder. I'm so tired, I'm barely able to say something, but I want to say that I'm really impressed. There have been 11 hours since I'm wearing this foundation by Lancome. It's not lasting on me even for hours without touch-ups, and I did not touch it up since I've applied the powder on the top. From 11 AM it was staying like this, so it's really amazing that it lasted so long on my skin, and for sure I can attribute this to the True Skin Setting Powder by Catrice. So I have a new favorite powder. It makes my concealer stay put all day, doesn't crease, doesn't settle, doesn't dry out my under eye area, and does wonders for my face. I highly recommend this product. Whenever it will came in the place where I'm living, I highly recommend it. Ooh, I see that I have hairs everywhere. Definitely, this is a hidden gem. But yeah, guys, this is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I will also have more upcoming reviews. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm gonna see you again on my next video. Bye guys! Mwah. Okay.